Hello, this is Jimmy Kendrick reporting live. I'm here live from Engine Room Studios, and we're going to now talk about first the perspective of the engineer. What's your name, sir?
What's good? My name is Darley.
Now, you tell me. Give me your journey. Tell me in quick 30 seconds how you got to where you are. Was it easy? Talk to me.
It wasn't easy. You got to start off as an intern, cleaning bathroom, cleaning shit, cleaning after rappers.
You hear that?
Joint guts, whatever it is.
Do you hear that?
You got to be in the, cleaning ACs, all that kind of stuff. But once you get into the room and you talk to the right people, you start networking.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about, and then you start getting into real sessions. You start working with people who are bigger up in the ranks and stuff like that.
Do you ever go home?
Let's leave it at that.
Do you have a toothbrush here?
I do.
I'm signing off. This is Jimmy Kendrick live from the studio.
I shower here.
He showers here too. Peace.